Hi, I'm Ollie Thomas, Commercial Director at PMC Speakers. I'm here at ISE 2025 and I'm introducing to you the ci65 speaker, which is this model here, one of our custom installation products. This is a two-way passive product with dual 5-inch woofers and a silk tone tweeter. What is bespoke about all PMC products is we have a transmission line design, as you can see from the vent exit here. This gives us fantastic low frequency control, very low distortion, and the other key features of all of our CI series speakers is a very smooth wide off-axis response. The ci65 is part of a range of CI products. We've got the ci30, ci45, 65 and the larger 140. The 140 is a much bigger, full range, three-way CI product, which is suitable for kind of any size home cinema. So it's PMC Speakers, and our website is pmc-speakers.com.